Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has asserted that his commitment to respond to cross-border terrorism and has stated that the answer to terrorists cannot have any rules. During an interaction with youth in Pune, External Affairs Minister has referenced the 26/11 attacks and has stated that all of the options to respond to Pakistan by the UPA government engaged in numerous discussions. External Affairs Minister has also stated that there has been a change in the foreign policy of the country since 2014 in the way that terrorism is dealt with. Now, the statement has come after PM Modi had also spoken about terrorism and countering it in India. Let's listen in.
जब भारत में कमजोर और अस्थिर सरकारें थी, तब भारत में आतंकवाद ने पैर पसारे। आज भारत में मोदी की मजबूत सरकार है, इसलिए आतंकवादियों को घर में घुसकर मारा जाता है।
All right, there of course we've heard Prime Minister Modi's comments yesterday, but after that External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar has also in fact reasserted his commitment to respond to cross-border terrorism. My colleague Akshit Gupta joins us on the broadcast with further updates regarding this. Akshit, External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar has once again reiterated India's tough stance on terrorism.
Well, yes, as Jaishankar has asserted that the government commitment to respond to cross-border terrorism will stay put. And this also comes that after a report that India's external agency, intelligence agency, RAW, has conducted operations deep inside Pakistan to neutralize the wanted terrorists. And of course, Jaishankar was having an interaction with youths in Maharashtra's Pune, and he also, gave reference to the Mumbai attack during the Congress-led UPA government's tenure, and he said that following the 26/11 attacks in Mumbai, all were of the opinion to respond to Pakistan, but the UPA government engaged in numerous discussions, ultimately concluding that the cost of attacking Pakistan is more than the cost of not attacking it. He has also said that there has been a change in the foreign policy of the country since 2014 in the way terrorism is dealt with, and he asserted that there is 50% continuity and there is 50% change, and that one change is no terrorism.
Indeed, and furthermore, Akshit, he's also stated that terrorists play by no rules at all. He's also spoken about the challenge that India faces, in particular in maintaining relations with Pakistan. What else has he said with regards to this?
Well, yes, he was also asked about the most challenging country to maintain relationships. And he said that there are countries which, whom you can ask how do you maintain relationships. And he said that today the biggest challenge is Pakistan. And he also talked about, the Prime Minister who, Narendra Modi, came in 2014. But he said that this problem did not begin in 2014. It started in 1947, and in no situation is terrorism acceptable. Or if any nation used terrorism to try and bring to the negotiating table, then it shouldn't be accepted.
All right, Akshit, with that, I would like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.